What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. I am doing a quick unboxing. I might not do a whole video on this because I'm gonna have my father-in-law with me, and the work is basically going to be intensive, and it may take us a long time to do. So I'm just gonna show y'all and talk to y'all about this belt. So with my 2007 Ford Expedition, the serpentine belt broke on the truck, and it was making this whining sound for a couple of months now, and we knew it had to be like the tensioner or something. My father-in-law thought it was maybe it was the power steering pump that was making noise, but the serpentine belt broke, so we went online to order the serpentine belt, the pulley, and the tensioner. And long story short, this was the only one available, and I had to drive 40 minutes to get it because everywhere else you have to order. And right now, I want my truck on the road just in case I need a third vehicle if one of the other vehicles go out. That's why I have 3 vehicles. Anyway, so I'm just going to do a quick unboxing. I got this from AutoZone, the only one that's left. It was about $100. So here goes our belt, pulleys, tensioners, and my light went off, so sorry about the lighting. So this is going to be a very intensive job, you guys. Very, yeah. So I may not have enough time and camera space to do all this. This ain't like I'm working on my Mercury and I have time to take breaks. Today will be no breaks. As a matter of fact, this weekend won't be a break. So that's the unboxing of this belt, and yeah, I'll talk to y'all later on how the truck sound. We started the truck. We usually let the truck start up for a couple of minutes, but the truck had this whining noise for the past couple of months. I kind of felt that it was something dealing around the belt area or the fan area or something like that. Once that happened, the engine just stopped. All right, this is a serpentine belt. The truck, the Ford Expedition, is a timing chain. But as you can see right here, bada boom, bada bing. This is the tensioner. Can't you see the problem? Yes, it's broke. You see it right there. So all the pulleys and stuff now are gone and replaced. I went to AutoZone. I got the tensioner set. It was about $100 or something like that. And I can, for one, say the truck is quiet. Quiet. It sounds like how it's supposed to sound when you first get a car. All right. If your Ford Expedition or your truck have this like this whining noise, very annoying noise when you start up and you think it's around the fan area or something like that, more than likely you need to go ahead and change your pulleys and stuff like that. So other than that, I just wanted to get to y'all with that. I did not do no DIY with that. Me and my father-in-law, we went on and tackled that. We wanted to get that. That was like an emergency. There's no time to like sit around and get no camera set up for that. There was no time at all. Yeah, so I'm just letting y'all know that the product works good. We drove it probably like maybe 1,000 miles by now. So the truck is quiet. So you will hear the noise in the front end of the car, and it might just be your pulleys. And yeah, so we even changed the tensioner and all that. All right, you guys, so we have changed the belt and all of the pulleys. All right, so everything has been changed in this truck. So yeah, other than that, nothing else really happened in this truck for me, you guys. Well, a few things happened on this truck. I can sit down and talk to y'all about it when I get into the studio because it's a little chilly out here. But just a real quick, so we did have that the belt and the pulley problem, as y'all know. I had this little radiator T right here. That T kind of broke on us. That was years ago. And one last thing was the Cadillac converters, which was it it was a pretty challenging task to take care of. Other than that, that will be it. This Ford Expedition is well on its way.